can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh. You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro kachoro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
You say, where they make you feel alright. And I can tell the vibe at the time that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my mind let go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby. She don't want the Gucci, but the booty Fendi. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby. If my word is right, baby, she gon' save me. Cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Oh Lord, your love is crazy, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls I'm only really want to play me. But when I lay with you, I realize love don't cross the line. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All the other girls they really want to play me. But when I lay with you, love don't cross the line. My baby, love don't cross the line. My baby, love don't cross the line.
So apparently today is lecture free day. Today is Monday, 11th of May. So and it's Nurses Week. Happy Nurses Week. If this video comes out, tomorrow is the last day of Nurses Week. So yeah, we're having debate today, but I'm not going anywhere. Even with the way they say attendance is compulsory, not really confined. I want to sleep. Yeah, and I started watching movie. I don't have anything else to do than sleep, watch movie, and like maybe read my book sometime later on in the day. And sleep. That's the only thing. That's the only agenda for sleep. So yeah. Nice.
So many reasons why I want you for you, my love. Now you want to retire with my love. See all the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me.
don't believe you. Eh? Yeah, so trust issue won't wound me. Anyways, how I Yar. Hi guys. I just got my meal for tonight. Yeah. I didn't even finish this one. I got spag. Today is the last day of nursing's week-ish thingy. So we're praying here. I went for the Nightingale Summit program that they had today. Although they are still having the program, but I just left there because that's my glasses already cost mark on my face. They said the program was going to start by 10. I got here by 11, past 11 sharp. They just started opening prayer. I just had to leave when one of our lecturers was giving lecture. So yeah, that was about that. And I got swallowed. I got in here. Let me show you. So yeah, I got and 6 sharp. Like this thing is too small. Like can we talk about the quantity? This shit is too small. This cannot even okay me, but just guys manage because scale is fucking broke. Just have to manage. So yeah, that's that one. This is how I packed my hair yesterday. I never repacked it. I just wore the bonnet and I slept it like that. Girl, I can't be stressing myself. Like, please, can we talk about it that there is so much heat outside? I'm still feeling night. I'm going to continue watching my movie. I think I went this video here. I already edited that one of yesterday, so I'm just going to add today's clip there like that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay blessed.